Introducing Duo, a two-factor authentication system designed to heighten the security of your personal information. How does two-factor authentication work? Well, simply put, it's what you have combined with what you know. If Duo doesn't recognize the device you're on, upon signing in with your password, it will send a notification to a variety of platforms of your choosing. This video will explain how to install and set up the Duo app, which you can download to your mobile device. When authenticating to Workday, the screen below will appear. Begin by clicking on Start Setup. Select the type of device you'll be using. Choose mobile phone for using Duo push notifications, then click Continue. After entering the phone number where you'd like to have your code sent, select the checkbox to confirm. Next, click Continue. Indicate the type of phone being used. Any smart device will work for Duo push notifications. Once you've selected your device, choose Continue. Leave this screen open on your computer and go to the App or Play Store on your mobile device. Search for Duo Mobile in the Apple or Play Store and install the app. Once installed, select if you'd like to receive notifications. Click on the plus in the upper right to activate the camera and allow the camera to access your device. Navigate back to your computer screen and select I have Duo Mobile installed. Hover the camera over the QR code that is displayed. The QR will now appear with a check mark indicating that you have successfully linked the app. Click Continue. Select Continue to log in, and then Send me a push. Now that you've successfully enrolled, this is the Duo prompt that you'll see when logging into Workday and providing your district username and password. On your mobile device, you'll select the Approve button. Our sign-in into Workday is complete. And the next time we sign into Workday, we'll simply say Send me a push, open up our app, and hit the Approve button. We're now logged into Workday, safe and secure. Thank you for watching Duo two-factor authentication setup, safeguarding against unauthorized account access. If you need additional support, please contact the ITSC at 303-387-0001.